Hi guys, here's something a little bit different. Found this in one of my drawers. It's a calculator. Looks to me like the battery has leaked significantly. Don't even know if we can get it out. How do you come out? I think that unclips the case. Yeah. Yep, okay. A little bit of a delay there while I cleaned off the old crystals that had grown and found my smaller screwdriver set. I can't imagine you have to undo all these screws just to change the battery. That seems very unusual. Usually just slide a battery cover out the way. Just tip them in there. Okay. No, just two ordinary alkaline batteries. I was expecting something more exciting than that. I was thinking to myself as I was taking this apart that I have done videos on growing crystals and they've usually failed. And yet here we've got a lovely set of crystals grown. And these now, they've gone all the way along here. Yeah, alright, well I'll scrape them off, get some new batteries and see if it'll work. Because it doesn't, although it's gone all crystalline, they've leaked. It doesn't look like the metal surfaces have corroded. I have to say, I really am amazed how the metal has completely survived. No corrosion on it at all. They just leaked and turned crystals. Yeah. Because cheap Poundland batteries I don't expect to last too long. Which way round do they go? That way and that way. And looks like it needs the back plate on to hold the buttons still. Yeah, hold contact on there. Alright, I'll put the back on. Yeah, looks like it works. Yeah, I need to do those screws up. Got a little magnet there to make life easier. Sounds like Nanny's making a curry. The technical way. Right, so 0. Oh, I know. All clear. 0.0773. How do we do an H? Is it a 4? Hello? Hello? Oh. And Nanny's trying to see if she can make as much noise as possible. Anyway, yeah, so that was just batteries needed replacing. I can't believe I had to undo 4 screws just to replace the batteries. Don't know if this has got a date on it anywhere. Casio Fx 82L. No, assembled in China, Casio Computer Company Limited. So, does anybody ever use a calculator nowadays when they got their mobile phones? Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.